Here we are at day 5 of the Shorts Challenge, and today it's all about 3 things that my training can help you with. Thing number 1, a bit like the cat and the hat, isn't it? Thing 1 and thing 2. Thing number 1 is productivity. By learning how to use applications much better, working out how everything fits together, you will become more productive. So that's thing number 1. Thing number 2 is confidence. This will lead you to be more confident because you're going to know which buttons to press and what to do. You can then focus on getting the nitty-gritty of the work done, freeing up your headspace on how do I make the tech work, because you just know. And thing 3, it ultimately means that you're going to be more employable, you're going to be able to give your clients and your executives a better service and thus command a higher pay packet. So there you go, 3 things that training with me, the MS Office Maestro, is going to help you with.